Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. We have x square minus 5x plus 22 over 16 equal to 4th root of x plus 1 over 4. Given that x belongs to real numbers. Now most of us will try to raise power 4 both sides. And this will convert our equation into degree 8 equation, which is not going to be easy to solve. Now I want you to pause this video right now and try this equation by yourself first. Now we'll be writing here, as we have x real number, so radicand must be positive. So we'll write here x plus 1, this must be greater than 0. Equality won't hold true. So we'll write here x should be greater than minus 1. Now we'll multiply both sides by 16. So denominator 16 will get over in our LHS. We will write equation x square minus 5x plus 22. This must be equal to 16 times 4th root of x plus 1 over 4. Now we can factor 16 and we can write 4 times 4 times 4th root of x plus 1 over 4. Now we can write 4 times. This 4 we can write 4th root of 4 power 4. 4th root and power 4 will get over. We will get 4 times 4th root of x plus 1 over 4. Now we can club these two 4th roots and write 4 times 4th root of 4 power 4 times x plus 1 over 4. Now we can cancel 4 power 4 and denominator we have 4 power 1. So it will give us 4 cube only. So we can write equal to 4 times 4th root of 4 cube times x plus 1. Now we will write our equation x square minus 5x plus 22 equal to 4 times 4th root of 4 cube. We will write 4 times 4 times 4 times x plus 1. Now we will be using AM greater than or equal to GM inequality, or I can write geometric mean should be less than or equal to AM, arithmetic mean. So we have 4 numbers, 4, 4, 4 and x plus 1. All numbers are positive numbers. So we'll find GM of 4 numbers. So we will write 4 times 4 times 4 times x plus 1 inside 4th root. Now we have to write arithmetic mean of 4 numbers. So we'll be writing here 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus x plus 1 divided by 4. We'll multiply our inequality by 4. So we'll be writing 4 times 4th root of 4 times 4 times 4 times x plus 1 less than or equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12, 12 plus x plus 1. So we will write here x plus 13. Now we have RHS. There we will write less than or equal to x plus 13. So if I will write our equation here, then I can write x square minus 5x plus 22. This should be less than or equal to x plus 13. Now we'll subtract x plus 13 from both sides. So I will write minus x minus 13, minus x minus 13. So in RHS, we'll cancel these two and write 0 over there. And in LHS, we'll write x square minus 6x plus 22 minus 13 is 9, less than or equal to 0. Here we can write this is x minus 3 whole square. So I will write x minus 3 whole square less than or equal to 0. Now x minus 3 will be greater than or equal to 0 always. Square cannot be negative. So only equality will hold true. Only equality will hold true. So we will write x minus 3 whole square. This must be equal to 0. So from here we'll be getting the only real solution for our equation x will be equal to 3. Now we are going to verify our solution. So I will write here check. Let me write x equal to 3 and let's begin with LHS. LHS is x square minus 5x plus 22 over 16. Let's put x equal to 3. We will get 3 square minus 5 times 3 plus 22 over 16 will be equal to 9 minus 15 plus 22 over 16. 9 plus 22 is 31 minus 15 will get 16 in the numerator. So I can write here LHS will be 16 over 16, value will be 1. So our LHS is 1. Now we will check our right hand side for x equal to 3. We'll write 4th root of x plus 1 over 4. X is 3. We'll write 4th root of 3 plus 1 over 4 will be equal to 4th root of 4 over 4. 4 over 4 is 1. So we'll write 4th root of 1. Value will be 1. So in LHS we have 1. In RHS it is again 1. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 3 is true and verified. By using AM greater than or equal to GM, we can solve radical equations like this. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.